If you're struggling to get clients with your hair business right now, it's probably not the algorithm. It's probably not because the market is saturated. I am going to tell you exactly how small hair businesses are getting clients in 2026. And number 4 is the one that is costing you sales every single day without even you realizing. Let me start with the thing that nobody wants to hear. Number 1 is be genuinely good at what you do. I don't want to sound harsh, but this is the truth. The fastest way to get clients consistently is when you're very good at what you do. But you might be thinking, I am good, but I'm still not getting clients. If you're not getting clients and you know for sure that you're very good, then it's not your skill, it's your visibility. But if you're being honest with yourself and you know that your wig styling or your wig coloring still needs work, you need to invest in that first before you go on to marketing. Sis, let me hold your hands and tell you this right now. No amount of content, no amount of ads will save a wig that doesn't look right. Get your craft to a level that when someone sees your work, they stop the scroll. Honestly, that's the foundation that everything else is built on. And if you're in doubt and you're thinking, oh, am I good? Am I not good? Get few of your friends that do not lie to you or few of your family members that will always tell you the truth. Ask them genuinely, look at my work and tell me if I'm good or if I still need a lot of improvement. This works. I did this myself. I did this with my husband. I showed him other people's work that I was aspiring to be. And I told him, tell me if this is good enough and rate me from 0 to 10. And then he rated me a 6. It hurt my feelings, but that made me work harder to be good at what I do. I started asking him questions. Okay, why did you rate me a 6 out of 10? What do you see here that you don't see here? And he started pointing things out. He's a man, obviously, he will not be able to explain it. But while he was explaining it to me, I kind of understood what he was saying. So if you are in doubt, ask someone that will always tell you the truth, no matter what. Number 2 is once you're good at what you do, it is time now to show off that you're good. You cannot sit in the room creating beautiful wigs and expect that people will come and find you. It's like you trying to get married and you're sitting at home every time without going on a date. You need to be posting, you need to be visible. But you're not just posting a finished wig and you just like holding the wig and no. You need to show us the before and after. You need to show us the behind the scene. And when you're creating this content, please wipe your lens. Wipe your lens again and again. Even when you think you've wiped your lens, wipe your lens again. People trust you more when they see your work and not just the end result. Because what you need to know is that behind the scene content builds more trust than a well-polished picture or a well-finished video. Number 1 and number 2 work hand in hand. Skill without visibility means you do not exist. Visibility without the skill means people will just click and then they will leave. So what this means is you actually need both to start making sales consistently. Number 3 is develop your own signature look, something that someone will know you for. For me, for example, a lot of people have commented on my styling. Most people talk about how I layer my wigs or how I color my hair. So some people even tell me that when they see my work on social media, they can actually tell it's me. I don't know how, but what I know is every time I style a wig or every time I color and style a wig, I always like to leave a signature look while styling that wig. And now when people see my wig on social media, well, when I say people, I've only got about maybe like 10 people that have told me that. When they see my wig, they kind of know that it's me and they come to tell me that, oh, someone is trying to use your content and everything like that without even seeing my name. So it's important that when you're creating a wig and you're styling a wig, always try to find a signature that you can leave. And please don't just do one signature. Do as many signatures as you can so that you can keep rotating these signatures. And again, if you're confused about signature, it could be your styling, it could be your coloring, maybe the background that you use, it could be your hands, it could be the nails that you do when you're styling. Just leave a signature and try not to copy somebody else's signature, because when you do, people can actually tell. Find a thing that sets you apart and lean into it so hard that it becomes synonymous with your name. So now that we sorted out your visibility, the next point is what turns one-time buyer into a client that brings you multiple clients without you even lifting a finger. This is the most underrated strategy in the hair business. Make every single client experience so good that they will market for you. I am not just talking about making a good wig. I am talking about the entire experience. How fast do you reply to your inquiries? How you communicate your process? how you package and deliver to your customers, how you also follow up after they receive it. Trust me, this one can be a little bit tricky because sometimes I can't catch up sometimes. But if you have something in place that automatically does this for you, honestly, invest in it. When someone buys a wig from you, the whole experience starts from when they contact you till they receive the wig, and even weeks after that. The funny thing is, once someone is genuinely happy with the service that you've provided, honestly, they do a lot. They post on their stories and tag you, they send you reviews. If anyone asks them about wig makers, they are going to refer you to that person. And the thing is, one genuine review from a client, a screenshot of the genuine review from a client, can actually bring you multiple orders, especially from people that are still in doubt and not sure if they should order from you. Because in 2026, a lot of people do not trust wig businesses. And some people would only trust other people's experiences. They don't care about what you say or how you say it, except they get a feedback from someone telling them that your wig is good. What I try to do, I make sure there's a balance with finding a new client as well as making sure that I'm nurturing my older clients, because they are the ones that are most likely to come back and also refer me to other people. But none of this matters if someone wants to buy from you and they don't know how to. And this is the one I said that is costing you money every single day. Please be easy to buy from. Someone sees your wig, they love it, they come to your bio to check it out. The first thing they say is, do not contact me via DM. We do not check DM. Like there's so many rules and regulations before they even get to you and ask you more detail. And if you don't have that, they decide to DM you, you don't reply for like 7 days. I'm going to say something very quickly. I also fall short with this. And this is because sometimes Instagram will decide to put people on, not even the request one, spam. And sometimes I rarely go on my spam list, but when I go maybe once a week, I will see a lot of people on my spam list. I'm thinking, why is Instagram deciding to put all of these people on my spam list? But most of the time when I then reach out to people on my spam list, they then decide not to respond anymore, or they tell me that they already got the wig from somebody else. So you lost a sale, not because the wig wasn't good, but because your sales process is actually slow. That's why I'm using my own self as an example, because I am also struggling to get this right. But what I do is I have a website and I make sure that every single question they have, so if they don't get a quicker response via DM, if they go on my website, they will not be further confused. So if you sell through DM, which is really good because I sell a lot of my wigs through DM, reply really fast. Treat every DM like that person is going to go somewhere else to buy a wig if you don't reply within an hour. The easier you make it for someone to give you their money, the more money you make. I know DMs can be quite annoying sometimes. Some people come on your DMs to just chat. They have no intention to actually buy anything from you. And they ask questions again and again and again. This is where you have to get a template in place so that you can always respond, copy and paste these answers to them without you physically typing the responses. So I know these are not your generic how to make sales content. I wanted to share like the eating strategy that a lot of people don't talk about, but that's what is actually working for them in 2026. So be excellent at what you do. Show your excellence so that people can actually see that you're good at it. Develop a signature that is you. Make every client's experience so good that they mark it for you. And always make the sales process easy for anyone that wants to buy from you. So none of this requires ads. None of this requires you going viral. It requires you to be more intentional about your craft, about your visibility, and how you treat people. If you're just starting out and you want to make sure that your foundation is solid, I have a free wig business starter kit in my description. This starter kit includes my pricing guide, it includes vendor guide, it also includes my recommended sewing machine and my favorite styling products. And that's all you need to get started if you're looking to start a wig business. Thank you so much for spending time with me. It's day 16 out of 100 and I'll see you tomorrow.